How to fix Minecraft Java not launching. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Maybe it's open in the background, but it's crashed. So what you want to do is go ahead to your task manager. Then we're going to go ahead and type in Minecraft over here. If you even see the launcher, go ahead and right click it and then end the task. Reopen it and see if that works. What you could also go ahead and do is press Windows key and R. And then we're going to go ahead and type in percentage app data percentage like so, and then it's going to open up a folder in your file explorer. We then want to go ahead and find Minecraft, which is going to be under M. So I see Minecraft right here. Once you go ahead and do that, go ahead and press enter. And then within it, you want to go ahead and if you see any premium cache or web cache, go ahead and delete that as well. Now that's literally it. Once you go ahead and do that, you should be able to open up, your Minecraft Java edition through the Minecraft launcher. I definitely recommend doing it through that directly instead of just using a desktop shortcut. And then once you go ahead and do that, you'll be good to go. There's nothing else to it.